Sir. Please proceed, Ms. Tuason.
Sabi pa sa akin ni Mr. Paul, sayang.
Sayang ang sabi ni Janet Lim Napoles.
She asked me why. Ewan ko. Sabi niya, wag na lang. Sabi niya, sayang. Then after that, I heard that it was Matt Ranillo did it.
You heard that it was Matt Ranillo that did it. And in your affidavit,
The project.
it says that it was... Go ahead.
Which was actually, when I saw the accounting record of Ben-Hur, I was able to confirm that it was really Mr. Ranillo.
And it says here in your affidavit that there was a delivery. Where?
Yeah, here, that's in the accounting records of Ben-Hur. It says there that there was a delivery of 11.970 to a house in 1564 Mahogany Street.
What's the amount? 11,970,000 to 1564 Mahogany Street, Dasmariñas. Am I correct?
In these records, it says they're received by Pauline Labayen.
Do you confirm that, Mr. Ben-Hur Loy?
Yes, sir, kasi ako po yung naghatid po nung pera. Kasama ko po si yung driver po ni Miss Napoles, si Fernando Ramirez. Hinatid namin yan doon po. Kaya I have that exact address, the 1564 Mahogany Street. And which, nandun po si Miss Pauline Labayen.
At ikaw mismo ang nagbigay
Opo,
nung halagang 11.9 million.
Opo, 11.9. At nagbilang po kami, kaharap po yung asawa po ni Mr. Matt Ranillo, si Miss Lynn Ranillo, Linda ang tawag namin po.
Ang kasama mo si Matt Ranillo o yung misis?
No, ang kasama ko po yung driver. Tapos pumunta po kami doon sa bahay. Tapos
Okay.
nandun po yung si Miss Pauline Labayen.
Okay.
At saka nagpakilala po siya sa akin na staff po siya ni Senator Estrada. And then po, nandun po si Miss Linda Ranillo. Asawa po siya ni Mr. Matt Ranillo po.
Pero si Matt Ranillo nandun o wala?
Parang wala po doon po sa
Okay.
maalala ko. Tapos mayroon po isang babae doon na medyo nalaman ko po nung kinuwento sa akin po ni Ma'am Lynn at saka ni Miss Pauline Labayen. It was Husta Tantoco daw.
Can you say the name again?
Husta Tantoco.
Husta Tantoco.
Opo.
Okay.
So hindi ko na po ininom kasi
Okay. Miss Ruby Tuason, in your affidavit, you state that you know who the owner is at 1564 Mahogany? Press D. Okay.
Yes. When I was asked, being a resident in Dasmariñas Village, if I knew who lived there in that address, and I said yes, it was Husta. Because I know her. I've been to her house several times.